Man, we are reinforcement, patrol team, reinforcement, selling, we are going. When I know, by updates, selling all the way from Palama to Siama to Jayana, we are passing, going. Road clear everywhere, no police, so if you block the door. If it's blocked, yeah, you collect. Then yeah, beside there. When I know, road clear, everywhere, no police, no police.
I'm not used to the government. I come up as a job element. Everybody who want to time or make a fight, help us do a fight, or women who move them make a fight. But do you lie that Naputonda is not your commander? But do you try to say that now you don't know commander? Thunder is no commander. Thunder is nobody. He's just an ordinary soldier. Na barakia. Makoya blama kese me phone no bread. Oje kwa ure phone. Melog kila mo no ya commander na baraka mo. Look at the hidreba. It has got a notice to United States of Biafra government that one of your commander, your own commander, Thunder, has been allegedly manipulated and thrown inside a pit by Commando Wam, who is under Commander Butuzor in Olu State Commander. Look at you, you're the free.
Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone and from where you are watching us from or listening to this our broadcast today being 7th of August 2025, live and direct from Biafran land. Now is the news in details. The Biafra Liberation Army General Commander Igwe Butuzor, the Triple G, has mocked Ngozi Orabueze of United States of Biafra. So Igwe Butuzor mocked Ngozi Orabueze because there is one of the Biafran soldiers that was by under Igwe Butuzor. The guy's name is Thunder. So according to this news, Thunder has been working against Igwe Butuzor. Thunder is listening or working with Ngozi Orabueze. And you recall, if you can recall with me, that few months back, Ngozi Orabueze suspended Igwe Butuzor because Igwe Butuzor exposed her, saying that she did something, that she did not send any money to them, and that she's claiming that she is the one taking care of their expenses, their bills, funding them money in order to buy materials that they are gonna use or they are using already to withstand the Musa guys and the Asade guys. So Igwe Butuzor went online to debunk that which Ngozi Orabueze said, and that angered Ngozi Orabueze, of which in return Ngozi Orabueze suspended him for 1 month. But here in this video, Igwe Butuzor has mocked Ngozi Orabueze once again, calling her a liar, telling her that no matter ife on a merefa and then upon us na Thunder aburo onye nkie kezi hoju na ebeze akwa maka ihe mere Thunder bụ one of the Biafran Liberation Army na campu Igwe Butuzor.
But that's the most cinema for Thunder. Now Thunder is one of your commander inside my camp. Madam oh God. Original one in social media. So Madam had the message name for Thunder na Barak Butuzor. But this cinema for Thunder na Barak Butuzor. You mention your mouth. You go so Orabueze Nkuma there be 2 years in a struggle. I think here a year and again a struggle. Keep a prony the original no region honor. We're social media. You call and Kekron in suspension of 1 month to look at you 1 bucket gram IPOB in Obito, 1 bucket the Kage gram ebe so good Obito. You can betray Momiazuka. ure PM, ure bello PM, ure go to PM, see, ure position of Mazo Kanyage, look at you, or broadcast. Thank you very much. The way I may a candagram Namram. The way I may a glory of God in a manifest in my life. More in a mayaka Chineka and Rotito, and the more in a Buloko Melu. But the Hunanga Donda, it goes to Gabangala Donda. Now you wrote that Thunder is one of your commander. Go on, Ngozi Orabueze. Thunder now wala your commander. Oh, but Thunder can send Rego. Ego ni really record the recent day. Mo kwa Thunder can send there na so butuko. Ego suga bugo no. Ala Biafra get me be single zone logo. I'm not in US government. I come out as a job element. Everybody want at a time or make a fight. How to do a fight? Or women who move them make a fight. But do you lie that Thunder is not your commander? But do you try to say that you don't know commander? Thunder is no commander. Thunder is nobody. He's just an ordinary soldier. Na barakia. Because Blama case a phone of bread or the phone. Melog, Kilamon or your commander na barakamo. Look at the hidden back. It has got a notice to United States of Biafra government that one of your commander, your own commander, Thunder, has been allegedly manipulated and thrown inside a pit by Commander Wam, who is under Commander Butuzor in Nollywood State Commander. Look at you, you're the free. Look at you. Often an error, and even it. For an error, and negate, you will judge. You will judge. You should take my fair. They film no my hair. But I will go to Ragasia. God not to you. Who knows you to return? Not one in Ala Biafra. Come home in Biafra land. I will do with you. If when they like in a recruit, I will use them to fight you. Hold on a minute. I've been an ultimate in a struggle. I don't want to Ganya. Managa will bring a struggle. Ngozi Orabueze and Ngozi Orabueze. Managa will bring this struggle. I don't want to Ganya. And the category with the category is not the same thing. They can only foolish and fool those we can fool, but they can never fool me. He didn't like it and I said, you just suspended in a rapporteur of our month to look at you. And my yogi and my yogi movement dialogue. Who are you? You must come to the Bible. If you longer will be Biafra. If you don't know the Biafra. If you don't know the Biafra. If you don't know if you don't know the what Biafra. Last call a man I get, but I get that I will never call you again. And anything concerning me, stay away. If you have me then I just write up. Will bring insult. And then my bandit, media, they will use this name to fight you. I'm about Biafra Shoku. That you are fighting for state, why others are fighting for federal. Military bad damage, imagine them the color. Military bad damage, imagine someone up. Look at you, play for the Kage. Momiazuka Kage Maba 100 times. Here, you will go, you see what's a malapan. Oh, will grow in Momiazuka, will you fake and I can't feel any mother. I am a new taught. But out to Funanera and they are Motango of Ngozi Orabueze. Idiot, out to take a grandma here. Okay, okay. The person you booking. I'm sorry, Biafra Gabon. You better be aware. Ega will get out of the Bujakin as Sakia. I'm a catalogue as I talk like being here without one word in war. What my word? Those people should take again a proof.
So, more details or more secrets are being laid out from all these things that is happening. Within this short period that Mazi Simon Ekpa was arrested, so many of all these things are now coming out too. These guys are just fighting themselves. These guys are just exposing themselves. And I don't know why Madam Ngozi Orabueze will be fighting against the men on ground. The real men or the main men we all know that is on ground protecting us. Madam Ngozi Orabueze is not in good terms with them. They allege that Caterpillar was with Ngozi Orabueze, and now one of the Biafran Liberation Army called Thunder has been buyed by the team of Igwe Butuzor because, according to them, the guy is working against them because he is giving every details of information to Ngozi Orabueze concerning Igwe Butuzor. You know, according to some news, Madam Ngozi Orabueze was the first person to broadcast when they buy Commander Holy Ghost. I think they said that she even boasted of that. So, and the Madam Ngozi Orabueze is not in good terms with Gentle the Yahoo. Ngozi Orabueze is not in good terms with Angel Makeup. Ngozi Orabueze is not even in good terms with Igwe Butuzor. Then who is Ngozi Orabueze is in good terms with, or who is working for Ngozi Orabueze? This is a very serious and a very big question. Guys, you know, these things are getting out of hands.
Very happy. And again, before I proceed with today's news, I just want you all to know that we have only one government. One government. That's what we have under the leadership of Madam Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, under the leadership of our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa Njoku, and our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So it is only one government that we have. The government is United States of Biafra, and that is what we have. Today, I'm very glad and I'm very happy on what is going on and on what we are seeing today. So it is a very interesting day today because a lot will be happening. So I want to thank all the genuine Biafrans who are following me, making sure that the public hears my voice and hears the simple truth. There was a woman that was following this woman called Ada Diorama. So, she stopped hearing my voice for some time and was asking people, that now if she goes to Ada Diorama's program, she doesn't hear my voice again. If she comes, she doesn't hear my voice again, that she doesn't know how to get me. And then she goes to my, Facebook handle, she doesn't hear my voice again. And that she doesn't know how to get to me. In fact, that I was one who was giving her the hope of this Biafra coming. That was what the old woman said. And she said because Adadiorama has bastardized everything. And when she said that, I said, I'll just have to choose a day to be coming and she will hear my voice. So, Mama, I'm very okay, very good, very fine. I am good. Nothing happened to me. Just that sometimes these people are just frustrating me. They will take down my account, and starting again will be difficult. So this is the second time I am coming on, I'm coming live on this very platform, which is YouTube, to speak to our brothers and sisters, Biafrans. Now, the thing is this. I want to ask Adadiorama, because yesterday our Deputy Prime Minister launched the radio, Biafran radio, and all of that. So I want to ask, what is his name? Ogen Kiri, Vam, and Chiomo Koma, Ruby Nadi, and the rest of them. What have you people done differently now? No, somebody asked me, what is this, your USB? What have they done? Now, I want to find out what you people have done differently from what this woman has been doing. I want to ask you people this question, because I know you people as well watching me. So this is to tell you that you people are just not, you are not serious. So, but I need you people to tell me what you have done, what you have done differently from what Madam Orabueze is doing. So, Biafra, like I told you, we are all going home this year. Dr. Orabueze is on the right track. We are on the right track. So, I want to also thank every other media personnel, such as Ugo 247, You know, this Go 247 is just a man that I followed for a very long time before I started, watching him and watching him. And it says the same thing every time he comes online. The same thing is that he manages his word, he tells you nothing but the truth. So I learned from these people. Now, there's this guy called Kelena TV. He's just that guy is a legendary too. So Kelena, I just want to appreciate you and then thank you and for what you're doing for Biafrans and how everybody has their own knowledge of doing whatever they know how to do best, because Kelena speaks Igbo very, very fluent. And I can't do that. So everybody's gifted in their own way. So I really want to appreciate you guys, man. You guys are doing wonderfully well, man. And then there is this woman I'm looking for now. I think she's anyways. They love them anyways, doing good, but I just want you to send so that you people can always follow them. They're doing very well, they're doing very good. Myself I'm quite busy. Even making video now is always in fact, sometimes I'll be thinking, what are my fans going to be thinking about our prime minister? What are they going to be thinking? Because you see, the truth is our prime minister is where it is now. He's here in Finland. He's in Finland. But it's better off than him being in the zoo where Mazina the Kano is. That is the simple truth, because some people will be saying, how is he? What is happening to him? What is happening to our prime minister? They need to know. It is not, anyways, because you people are Biafrans, it is not everything that you must know. But we don't do that, Anyways, let me move on. So, all these guys, I need you guys to follow them, and they're doing very wonderfully well. So, I want to ask these people, Ruby Nadi, Atadi Orama, all of you, what have you done differently in recent times? Absolutely nothing. All you came to do was to deceive Biafrans. All you people came to do was to confuse Biafrans, because you feel that you people would be able to use media against us. Like Sani Akbarawa said, media is power. And when he said that, I became very upset and very, very angry. Like, media is power. So you want to use the media against Biafrans, so for Biafrans not to know what is going on. And that is why you see me coming. And I keep telling Biafrans, I'm just not to today that I'm telling you, I'm talking to us here. I did not monetize any, happy Sunday, my brother. I did not monetize any of my platforms, so that you won't think I am here to confuse you. I am here to lie. I am here to tell you what is not. None of my Facebook, my gadgets on platform is monetized. I didn't monetize any of my platform. So you people will not think I'm here for the money. I'm here to tell Biafrans the truth. Now, Biafrans, yesterday, our Deputy Prime Minister launched a radio, and then the TV is going to be coming out anytime soon. So as we proceed, the Finnish authorities decided that the first week of September is when they are going to be reading out the bill, terms or conditions of our prime minister. But I think that will be the first week, which is the week that we enter in September. That is where our prime minister's bill condition will be, looked into, and then we will know from there, because Nigeria has done their madness. They have finished their nonsense. You see, that is one thing. Nigeria will come and tell you, you see, that our prime minister will be coming back today. Our prime minister, all those things was just to incite fear in all Biafrans, and we were not moved, because thank God I even lived here. Thank God I'm even in England, trying to make sure that Biafrans hears the truth. Biafran knows the truth. Because when this thing was going left and right, I was understanding the whole case, getting in contact with my people and making sure that, Biafran hears the truth. So Nigeria were not able to march on our head because they wanted to intimidate us, suppress us, make sure that anything that we are saying, we say it out of fear. We don't even mention the word Biafra. And that is to every one of them here. You know, there are so many of them out there who cannot even mention the word Biafra. They can't mention the word Biafra. And that is what Adadi Orama, you know, try to do to our people, to intimidate them, because normally Adadi Orama would she was somebody who was following our prime minister, who was doing what our prime minister, you know, and at the end of the day, Adadi Orama was reportive to someone who was making sure that, you know, she plays cool until she gets in to tear the government apart. Our prime minister Simon Ekpanjoko, being who he is, he doesn't want to, he's just a good guy that he calls himself. He doesn't want to do, you know, I too sabi, make I send these people, let me throw them out. You know, he never wanted to do that. He wanted to play cool so that everybody will love him, will like him. But these people were not there for that. These people were there to destroy, to, you know, when the Bible will always tell you that the thief cometh not but to kill, to steal, and to kill, and to destroy. That was what Adadi Rama and the rest of these people came to do. But Prime Minister knew, but he didn't want to do much about them, thinking that they were going to change, you know, but they didn't change. And you could see how they were able to fool themselves, thinking that they were coming to fool Biafrans. And thank God that people like us, Kelena TV was there, you know, a lot of Ugo 247, and a lot of them were there. And then, you see, with that, we were able to beat their own lies. If not, they would have told us that media is power and they will stand on it, and, you know, people will be scared, and a lot of people will give up in this our struggle. And I tell you, Biafra was redeclared on the 29th of November 2024, and that cannot be changed by anybody. Not even Tinubu can buy off that document. Not even Tinubu can pay off that document. Not even Tinubu can claim that document in Finland. Finland knows that. Not even the president of the world, which is Donald Trump, can never do anything about it, because that debt remains sacrosanct. That is why some people will be asking me on interview, why, what did they go and do in Finland? And I'm like, excuse me, so are you not intelligent enough? Are you not educated enough to know what happened in Finland in 2024? So if you're not, then, if you're not that intelligent, then you should know that, this thing, you wasted your time by going to Finland to go and, you know, generate a document for your own country. And you see, they were just there because of the money. And what is it called now? Nigerian government bought off these people. You could see it. When I came to tell you people, oh, Nigeria paid money to Oginkiri. Enugu State governor paid Oginkiri over 150 million. I know what I was saying, because I have the evidence. And that was why I was challenging Oginkiri to sue me for defamation of character, so that I can prove it to him. But he never came up to do that. I challenged him several times. Oh, bro, sue me, Oginkiri. Sue me. I am not hard to find. Oginkiri knows how to find me. All of them knows how to find me. I'm not hard to find. You know, and this is the thing. When they want to exterminate you, when they want to take away your life, the next thing they will come out, oh, come to Nigeria now. If you know you are strong, come to Nigeria. Why you cannot be there inciting violence? I have never incited violence. I have always told you the simple truth. Come to Nigeria to do what? Did Nigeria come to Finland to prove their own case? What did the Nigerian government do? What did they do? They send your own brothers to come and defend their evil. Even the Minister of Interior never came into the court. He sent you people, you Biafrans, fake ones. That is the people that they gave money, small change, to go and fight against their own. That is the problem that we usually have. That is the problem. So when I see these people, I just laugh. I just laugh because they know what they are doing. They don't know what they are doing. So when Madam Ngozi Orabueze detested all these things when they took away our prime minister, you know what she did? She quietly, you know, because anyway, the template was already there, and then she quietly gathered all this group of individuals.
So fans, here in this video, Stephen Cross strongly believes in Ngozi Orabueze. He keeps saying this, that Ngozi Orabueze must surely bring this Biafra to existence, that Ngozi Orabueze is the right person to work with, that Ngozi Orabueze is a very good woman. Stephen Cross not send anybody. For a very long time, Stephen Cross has been in the camp of Ngozi Orabueze. He keep believing and promoting Ngozi Orabueze. Thank you, fans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Jigs TV, for we remain the best. Let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Bye.